So welcome to all present here behind the screen. So today's vlog has come I think 3 months late, or I can say after 3 months, so I'm very sorry for that. So I've come with a small content, hope you enjoy this. So guys, as you have seen the title of the video, this video is based on the installation of the windshield on my bike. So my bike is NS200. You can install this in any other bikes with the same logic what I have applied on this. So I'm using the windshield of Phaser, Yamaha Phaser. You can take the windshield from the showroom. It will not cost more than 130 or 140. So the things you need to fit this is some tools, some rubber washers and screws, and main the windshield. Yes guys, to fit the windshield first you have to remove the old windshield which is already present here. I'll show you how to remove this. You have to loosen this and pull this, and that's all, it is removed. So guys, after removing this you have to make 4 holes here. You can see 4 holes. You can make this hole with the help of soldering machine. So the basic thing, you have to just attach like this. We need a windshield like this. To increase this height, we are gonna put these rubber washers in between.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Can you see the size of this washer? I've attached like this, 4 here, 4 here in the upper bolts, and in the lower bolt I have attached this single washer so that it avoids the scratches on old visor. See guys, the visor is ready, and while fitting it back, make sure these rubbers are in good condition, or I'll give you an advice: before removing this, take a pair of this rubber before from the shop. It will cost you around 8 rupees. So guys, the editing is done. Uh, so do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And this time I'm not gonna give my Instagram IDs anywhere. So I think I'll create a new Instagram ID for this purpose only. So where you guys can DM me for any queries or anything. So far so good. Bye.